My name is Dylan Fender. I work for Pipe Wrench Plumbing doing install. Well, the company before pretty much just overworked us, never home, always out doing something. There was many nights of working 24 hours or more. So here basically I've heard more family oriented, which is true. They separate work and home pretty much. I did concrete, any construction work pretty much, landscaping, and then started plumbing about 3.5 years ago, somewhere in there. Basically taking out the old and putting in new that is always going to be reliable and basically don't have to go back to. Pretty much go work out, go to the gym, hunting, fishing, and then me and my wife are expecting twins, so about to have a handful.